Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will try to learn about Allen-Bradley PLC, how to find errors in the program during MAC addressing. Let's start. First of all, I will take my 1 bit here and I will give the name I colon 0/1 and one I will take out colon 0/2, and as you see, simply I tell you, in this rank 00 you can see here is the name of E. What's meaning of this E? E is the meaning of errors. And how we can see and how we can understand about this E error. E means error. You simply click to the compile this, and this you can see this is the verify file. In other PLCs have a different name. There is a Siemens PLC have directly write that compile, and here in this PLC software have a verify file. You can easily after once or twice you when practice this program, after you understand, verify the file. And see now what he says here is he shows the error. This dialog box window, rung 0 ins 1 error. He says unconfigured IO address used I0 I colon 0.0/1. He says first error is your this one. When you click it on this one, it will be continuously shows here in the program ladder what's the error and where is the error. And this you can simply, when this click and this error go, after you can see why this is showing this error. You have to be see configuration why this is the error. I think so this is I colon 0/1 also have a address, but why this is showing wrong? Because of in this PLC SLC you can simply go to the inputs, and here you can see that the offset I colon 1.0, your addressing start from I colon 1.0. Because of 1.0, that's one, this 2, this 3, this 4, 5, which number you like to take. This you can simply click here and you can drop it here. When you drop it here, your address will be changed. And again you will check this verify file. Now this error is finished, but still is a error here. Why not finish this one error? You have to be read it here. Rung 0 ins 2 error. In second error, unconfigured IO address used output 0 out colon 0.0/2. He says this is also your address wrong. As you click it on this one, it will be show here is your fault. This is your wrong address, and this will be never download to the PLC. Simply goes to the outputs, and here you can see your address is from where start out colon 2.0. This is your first address. This is your first bit. This is second. This is third. And which one you need, you can simply click it from here, and you can simply drop it here, and your address will be correct. After you go to the compile, and simply you can see this is now error is also finished, and your program have is a completed, not have any error or something. Go directly to the offline and make it click on download. When you click on download, after he is asking for with this CPU and this information, are you sure you want to proceed this with download? Click yes. When I click it yes, he says processor is in remote run mode. He says your processor is in remote run mode. Processor must be switched to remote program mode after continue. Click it yes, no problem. It will be automatically detect the stop the CPU and download the program. And after it will be asking change back to run mode. Click it yes. You will go to the run mode, and he asking for do you want to go to online. Click it again yes. Your program will be go to online mode. Plus you can monitor here and see as I give the signal to I1 colon dot 5, my output will be energized. So please wait a second. I will give the signal to my I colon dot 5. See, as I give the signal to I1.5, my output will be energized. As I remove the signal, it will be removed. So I hope you understand about this, how we can find the error in the program during addressing, and after you can make it next program as your own logic. Go to again, go offline, and you simply close. And here also one more bit I will show you how we can use. Now I take this close contact, and one more bit I will take, and I will give address out colon 2/0, and this one I will give I colon 1/0, and I will check compile. It's my address is okay, and go to the download. Click it yes. Click it again yes, and see now your program is running. I colon 1.0 is we used close signal because of our output is continuously on. If we give the signal I colon 0, when I give the signal to I1 colon 0, see our output will be closed, and as I remove the signal, our output will be continuously on. Simply this is the difference between close contact and open contact also. If you give the signal to I1.5, I colon dot 1/5, your output will be on, and I1 colon 0, if you give the signal, it's close contact, and this one I1 dot colon 5 is your open contact. So I hope you understand about this errors, how we can find the error and how we can compile in this video. But that's only we have to be read for compile program, and how we can find the error and make the correct addressing. Chala will be next video. I will make you more functions about this Allen-Bradley software. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.